Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing God of War Ragnarok crashing during cutscenes on your PS5. Let's start by powering off the PS5 completely, not rest mode. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep to fully shut it down. Once the PS5 is off, unplug the PS5 power cable from the wall outlet. Keep the PS5 unplugged for a full 60 seconds to discharge the system. While waiting, remove the PS5 HDMI cable from the PS5 and the TV. Check the PS5 HDMI port using your hands to ensure there's no dust or loose fit. Reconnect the HDMI cable firmly back into the PS5 HDMI port. Now plug the HDMI back into the TV and make sure it sits tight. Reconnect the PS5 power cables securely into the PS5. Power on the PS5 normally and wait for the home menu. On your PS5 controller, navigate to Settings. Scroll to Screen and Video to ensure your PS5 is set to default video output. If God of War Ragnarok still crashes, return to the PS5 home screen. Highlight God of War Ragnarok on your PS5 and press Options. Select Check for Update to ensure the PS5 game is fully updated. Now scroll down to Delete and confirm only if your PS5 game reinstall is needed. Head into the PS5 settings again. Go to System and then System Software on your PS5. Select System Software Update to check for PS5 firmware updates. Allow the PS5 to download and install any pending updates. After updating, restart your PS5. If the crash continues, turn off the PS5 again. Hold the PS5 power button until the second beep to enter PS5 Safe Mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. In PS5 Safe Mode, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Choose Clear System Software Cache first. The PS5 will reboot after clearing cache. Once the PS5 restarts, re-enter PS5 Safe Mode again. Select Rebuild Database to fix corrupted files on your PS5. Wait for the PS5 to complete the rebuilding process. When your PS5 restarts, launch God of War Ragnarok again. If the crash is still there, return to the PS5 home screen. Go into Settings and open Save Data and Games/App Settings on the PS5. Select Save Data for PS5 games. Choose God of War Ragnarok and back up your PS5 saves to cloud storage. After backing up, delete local save data only from your PS5. Restart the PS5 once the data is cleared. Launch God of War Ragnarok again on your PS5. If the PS5 still crashes during cutscenes, power off the PS5 again. Remove the PS5 side panel carefully using both hands. Locate the PS5 cooling area and gently blow away dust using short bursts. Clean the PS5 vents with a soft brush while keeping the PS5 horizontal. Reattach the PS5 side panel securely. Plug the PS5 back in and power it on. Open God of War Ragnarok once more on your PS5. Play through a cutscene to check stability on your PS5. If it's finally stable, your PS5 should now run the game without crashes. If issues remain, you may need a fresh installation of the game on your PS5. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, and hopefully your PS5 is running God of War Ragnarok smoothly again.